The idea is to be able to bring the truck in here with a load of wood, do a snake maneuver here, possibly even have a trailer on. You know, I'll have to cut these down. 1, 2. I think I'm gonna keep this big son of a bitch here. Alright, we finally made it out here in the back lot to cut these trees down. It's been storming like a son of a bitch and just been busy. 4 trees I think to take down. Leave a little bit of a stump so that I can use the backhoe and dig them up. So yeah, let's get our gear on and get after it. So let's just talk chainsaw safety for a minute, okay? You know, I'm not deep in the woods by any stretch, but I've got to take every precaution necessary to protect myself in the event of, you know, getting hurt, nicking an artery. You know, I've had chains come off of chainsaws. It's fucking scary, you know, things like that. So, you know, I've got a full set of gloves. I'm wearing a couple different layers of clothing. I should have chainsaw chaps on, legit, but I've got about 3 layers of clothing on here. I've got chainsaw boots on. You can't see them right now, but got my ear protection. I got designer shades on, but you know, it's better than nothing. I gotta look good, right? So just wanted to say, you know, even working alone on your own property, just try your best to cover up, right? All you can do is try. So yeah, with that being said, let's get after it. That's pretty much what happens when you give a lineman a chainsaw. Fucking chain on that 250 is so dull. More or less cutting with a butter knife.
Till I reached out and saw your hand there waiting for mine, like the stars had all aligned. And I breathe your aura, cannot leave your aura. You have me like gravity. You don't have to try it, it's just like a magnet. You have me like gravity.
Alright, so I've got the job pretty well wrapped up here. Yeah, the biggest thing I've learned about dropping trees is to get the brush chipped on site. Don't move it at all. The more you move it, the more twigs break off and you fucking got a hell of a mess in the spring. There, I'm gonna end up chipping it in the trailer like I was saying. I'm gonna use it in the raised garden beds there in the spring. It's cold but sunny, which was nice. So yeah, anyways, thanks for watching, guys. If you get any entertainment value out of this at all, consider subscribing. I'm gonna be turning this 10-acre property into something special. Right now it's a whole lot of nothing, but you know, every week we get something done. We just peck away at it. Life's busy and you know, 3 a.m. comes hard and fast. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.